Hi, good morning. It's Saturday, April 28th, and I'm super excited this morning. Sereno Group, the real estate brokerage I work for, is partnering with Rebuilding Together this morning on a project that is near and dear to my heart. They are helping kind of spruce up, do some odds and end jobs at a residential care facility that we at Momentum for Mental Health have. And so here it is, Sereno Group, the brokerage I work for, partnering with Rebuilding Together, a great organization here in our community doing a lot of great things for organizations and just people in our community, along with helping Momentum for Mental Health, something that I'm really passionate about. And so today also happens to be National Pay It Forward Day. So I was thinking, man, what can we do, each one of us, to make a difference in our community? So go out there, do something for someone else, and pay it forward. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you.